Okay, we came down this county road that we got on when we left US 21, heading back toward Interstate 77. This is the turnoff and trailhead for the Basin Creek Campground. It's also trailhead parking for a trailhead for the National Park Service Blue Ridge Parkway, which is right up that trail right there. I'll take you back there right before we leave. But let's go down and check out the campground. Okay, I'm at the Basin Creek Campground. There is a several signs here posted on a tree. Due to COVID-19 concerns, camping is temporarily prohibited at the site. FYI. There's another sign. Do your part while enjoying recreational activities, social distancing. So they have put some signage up due to COVID-19. Let's take a walk back in the campground. There may be another area further down. We're going to check it out, but let's look at this area and see what it's like. That's where I just came from. This is the Basin Creek Campground. I believe it's 14 days free camping. Land managed by the North Carolina Wildlife Division, or equivalent. I'll have the proper name of who owns the land in the written description for this YouTube video. There's a campfire ring. Back here further, it looks like there was one right here. Looks like somebody just tore it out. So you have quite a bit of room back here. I would say truck camper, car tent camping, Class B campers, very small travel trailer. But the maneuver room is at a premium back here, so if other people were back here, you might have trouble if you bring a trailer back here. Up toward the front, you could park a trailer without having to worry about other people pulling in and blocking your turnaround area off. Okay. So one fire ring that I see, multiple different open spots that you can pull a small camper into, Class B truck camper, tent camping. There's space right there. So let's go down the road a little further and see if we have additional camping opportunities down there. Okay, that's where I parked my truck. There's the paved county road out there. This is all parking, both for the Basin Creek Campground and I assume it's trailhead parking for that National park, Blue Ridge Parkway trail that goes up the mountain. We're going to take a walk down the road and see if there's any additional camping down this way. And it appears there is. There's another sign right here about the COVID-19. Camping is temporarily prohibited. And there's another area back in here. I can see a fire ring already. Okay, there's the fire ring. Let's walk back in here a little bit. Parking area over there. There's the fire ring. You can back a camping configuration into there. You can also back one into here. The area is fairly large. You could get a travel trailer back in here. Free camping in North Carolina. I'll verify the number of days. I believe it's 14, but I'll verify and have that in the YouTube video description. Continuing on down the road. Let's see what else we got here. Still continuing to walk further down this road at the Basin Creek Campground. Already passed 2 spurs where you can camp. Oh yeah, here's a third and to date the largest camping spur. Yep. Looks like you got a place for a campfire right in the middle. There's where you can have a fire in the middle. And there's your access to the road. You could back a travel trailer as well as other camping configurations back in here. Class B, truck camper, tent camping. This is all right. See, when I looked online, I couldn't find very little video, if any. Surely none that gave you a good feel for what camping here at the Basin Creek Campground. It's about 9 miles, I would say, west of Stone Mountain State Park, North Carolina. It's an ideal camping location because you have all that hiking, all the tourist activities that you can do in Stone Mountain State Park, and still have the benefit of free camping here in North Carolina. Let's go down around and see what else is here. So there's that campsite we just looked at, and I'm hearing like large rushing water right across. This is the road I just walked down. My truck's parked up there. You can probably see a little red up there. Let's go down and see what this creek looks like. A lot of rushing water down here. Look at this. We got a little campfire ring right by the creek, and I assume this is Basin Creek. Basin Creek, since we're looking at Basin Creek Campground. Isn't that sweet? Yeah, this is why I do this. A lot of the places I go, no one's videoed, not the way I video them. My intent is to give you a basic understanding for what the place is like for you, to help you decide whether you want to go camp there or not. 14 days free camping, Basin Creek Campground in North Carolina. Let's go down the road, see what else is here. Okay, so I just came across this fourth camping spur. Also looks like it's a turnaround area. We'll take a better look here in a minute. Here's another one of those COVID-19 signs, but I just noticed at the bottom of the COVID-19 sign, it states, for more information, visit World Wide Web, North Carolina Wildlife.org. So that's who owns this land right here. That has the free camping. Let's take a look. This looks like it's going to be the last camping spur. There's a turnaround, so if you come down here with a rig, at least you have a place to turn around. We'll take a walk down there. I think the creek wraps right around on the edge there. But you can back a vehicle right up in here. Oh, this is pretty big back here. Okay, so this goes back up to where we just were. So the two connect. So you could also camp off to the side down here, about right in there. I don't see a fire ring in here though. And here's the turnaround area. At least they got it built up on the end so you're not in the mud. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. You could park a vehicle right up in there, and then directly over the hill here off the road, you have this creek, Basin Creek. That's pretty. And then up here, you have a fire ring right by the creek, a large fire ring. Got to take care of our public land. Really makes me scratch my head why people wouldn't pack out what they pack in. But when I come out and camp, I make sure it's cleaner than when I arrived. Now, looks like we have two streams that come together here. Unless the same stream split, but and then came back in here. That's pretty. That's pretty deep too. That's a nice little hole there. Okay. That's Basin Creek Campground, free 14-day camping on North Carolina Wildlife Division land. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road. I'll leave you with a shot of that National Park Service trailhead at the tail end of this video. See you down the road. Yeah, trailhead that's right across the public road from the Basin Creek Campground. It's part of the National Park Service, Blue Ridge Parkway. Goes up that way. FYI.